Okay, we're at the tyre centre. This is Wellington, my friend that owns this, and it's a very good tyre centre. And he's putting 2 new back tyres on the truck because the other 2 have been on there. Well, they lasted well. They've been on there almost 3 years, but they're sort of like a bit bald. So he's putting these on. These ones here, and these are the ones coming off. But he's got all the equipment here, and it's very good. He doesn't have a lot of tyres in stock, so these you have to get from Santo Domingo, and they're this size, although standard F-150 truck size, they're a bloody nightmare to get in this country. There's hardly any of them because they're on an 18-inch rim, and you know they're awkward to get hold of. But we've got them, and they're going to be fitted in. Here's our man here. He's already broke. The wheel nuts were on that tight, so he's already snapped using a bar the wheel spanner thing, which you can see there. So it's in 2 pieces. So we broke that because the nuts were on like maniacs.